right, guys, well, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do in order to try to keep this rearview mirror from constantly falling off. I think the most I've ever had this rearview mirror on as far as amount of time is probably about 9 months. I am going to be using this Gorilla Glue epoxy. This is the clear epoxy, and this is the two-part that comes in this tube right here. And I believe this one will go up to, as far as heat rejection, probably, I think it's up to 180 degrees. So I have tried every conceivable product out there that's designed to stick rearview mirrors to the windshield. I want you to see this right here. I don't know what kind of glue the factory one had on it, but it lasted 30-something years, and it was so strong that when it fell off, it pulled a chunk of glass out of here. This just doesn't last. I've tried go in the auto parts store, and there are a ton of different kinds that you can choose from. I think pretty much they're all the same. They have all the same formulation. They just have different labels on them. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to clean this up. I'm probably going to put a piece of paper on the outside so that this camera is trying to focus on the house instead of this. So I'll set this up so you can see a little bit better. All right, so hopefully you can see this area right here. I've got the camera pointing with the light behind me. So I'm going to first clean the old residue off from the adhesive. So I'm just going to take a brand new razor blade, and this stuff is pretty brittle. So you want to make sure to get every bit of this off here. It's almost, after it cures, it's almost like a plastic resin. All right, so that's completely good. I've got my residual from my razor blade, and this is just like plastic. All right. So the next thing that we need to do is I'm going to take some isopropyl rubbing alcohol and just a little paper towel here, and I'm going to clean the area. Just like that. And after I clean that, I'm going to clean the little button, call it a button. You could, I think, if you wanted to, use some sanding paper and or your razor blade if there's any residual on here. There doesn't seem to be any. Pretty much all stayed on the windshield. All right, so I'm going to let these two air dry, and then we'll be right back. All right, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our Gorilla Glue, and this is super easy to do. Just open the package, remove the vial. There are 2 chambers here that need to be mixed. I'm going to mix everything with just a toothpick, clean piece of cardboard. And I'm going to break this off. Okay. And then I'm going to squeeze. As you see the, there we go. I'm going to squeeze a little bit right here. That's more than plenty. And I'm going to take this, the inside of it, and you should be able to seal it. Oh, it's the other side. There's two like little plugs that go in there. Okay. And then I'm just going to mix this up right here. Then I'm going to take the metal part. This is called the button. And I'm just going to spread the epoxy on there. Okay, that should be plenty. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to stick this to the windshield. All right, so make sure you remember that if you look at the mirror, the round part goes to the top. So I've got some blue painter's tape here that I'm going to use to hold this button in place. And I'm just going to press it right there. Now it's going to want to slide around. So I'm going to take the tape and just put it just like that. Okay. It doesn't have to be absolutely, positively, perfectly straight, because you do have adjustment with the mirror. I mean, try to get it as straight as you can, but if it's off a couple degrees, don't sweat it. All right. So that's it. I'm going to let this sit here for about 24 hours before I mount the mirror, and that should give it enough time to set up. All right, so I've got my two pieces of tape supporting it vertically and horizontally, the buttons under there. And yeah, so hopefully I'll come back in about 24 hours and we'll see if this will actually hold the mirror. All right, so I'm back several days later. Had a lot of stuff to do. It's probably, I think, 4 days since I shot the video, but I went ahead and installed the mirror here, and it's looking good. It's super tight on there. Hopefully the Gorilla epoxy will hold better than the other stuff that you would use to attach rear view mirrors to the windshield. So what I'll do is, if the mirror fails, if it falls off, I will post it in the comments in the video to let you guys know. If I don't post anything, you can just assume that it is still holding tight. So hopefully it'll last for many years, and I will talk to you guys on the next video.